welcome back to my channel. This is a channel again all about DIY gifts and everything related to DIY. Right now I'm really interested in the Canton noodle, and so in this video I'm going to be sharing a few ideas that can help jumpstart your brainstorming on what you can embroider. Okay? To just kind of quickly get things going right off the bat, I think it's really easy to just think about maybe what are some of their interests. Like maybe they like sports and so they play soccer or basketball, or maybe they're really known for their cooking or baking, so they know how to bake really well, or they collect things like scrunchies or erasers. So yeah, just think about what a few of their interests are, and then you can think up like a picture or some kind of thing that symbolizes that. So if they are into sports, say basketball, then you can just embroider like a basketball on like a t-shirt. And that's really simple, but also thoughtful, you know? Another thing you can maybe think of are, what are some of your inside jokes? Do you guys have inside jokes together? Like say if you have an inside joke with somebody about ketchup, then you can just embroider a little ketchup bottle on it, on your t-shirt. Maybe you guys are in different states. So if your friend lives somewhere far away, like in Georgia, and you live in California, then you can embroider something having to do with those two different states, you know, and then send it to them as a gift. And again, with their interests, like whatever their favorite anything is, you can go off of that and just embroider that. And you can look up this list too. I'll put it in the description box. I'll put a list of a few favorite things that you can think of, but you can also Google it. So if you need help, Google. Maybe they are known for playing an instrument, so you can do some kind of instrument that they play. Or if they are going through some sort of milestone in their life, and that's the reason you need to get them a gift in the first place, like it's their birthday, or it's their graduation, or they just got a job, or they are getting married or having a baby, you know, anything having to do with that, it really makes it easy. I feel like if it's for a special occasion, then you can kind of work off of that and, you know, embroider something that is similar or reminds them of this time in their life. And in my last video, I put a stencil up, like just one hand. The hand is pretty like a generic hand that goes like this. You know, I just now focused this. If it wasn't clear before, I'm sorry, but it is what it is, and I hope it's clear now. But what I was saying with hands, there's a stencil that I've included in my last video. I'll put it in this video also, but anything hand related, okay? If you want to do like a peace sign, it's really cute. Or if you want to do like mahalo, aloha kind of vibe, or like, oh, I love you, or rock on, or anything hand, basically, okay? You can do like rock, paper, scissors, you know. Is this a scissor though? It's a close scissor, but you get the idea. And a cute thing that I saw was like you can embroider out like a little, you know, a lined paper with the blue lines and the red little line on the side. And you can write a little note on there. It says, "Dear Anna," I don't know, I miss you, or you know, you can just write it on there, and it's like a little note. It's like a letter that you're giving to them on like a t-shirt form, or you know, whatever form you want to give to them as. I thought that was really cute, so if you want to think about that, then you can. Another cute thing is for them to like represent their nationality flag. So if they're Korean, then you can do like a Korean flag, or if they're Kenyan, you can do like a Kenyan flag, you know. Look that up. I think it's cute. I would wear it. So I've got like a lot to go down, and it's just like basically a list, so hang in here with me, okay? Something that you can also do is the month they were born. I think it's really cute. maybe their horoscope sign if they're really into stars and astrology. Something that's a little bit more not more thoughtful, because like this entire embroidery, like hand doing it yourself gift is pretty thoughtful, like, but something that you can embroider on is maybe like how you guys met. Like if you guys met on a bridge somewhere, which is really romantic, or if you guys met like in a library, which is also super romantic, in a romance phase right now, or you know, anything, maybe you just met through a friend and something that reminds you of that time, if it was special to you at all. I think it is, because like if you think about it, every person that you meet in your life has come into your life at one specific point, and it is really romantic, even if they're just your friend. If you're giving them an embroidered gift, they mean something to you, I hope. Or I would think I would. I wouldn't give it to somebody who I'm not close to, but you know, you do you, whatever. But they've come into your life at some point, you know, and for you to remember that and to give it as a gift, it kind of shows. This is all my personal opinion, if I received that, I would just be like so blown away, because they remember that small moment in time, you know. Now you guys have known each other for I don't know how long, but for you to take it back to that point where you guys have met, I just think that's cute. So if you want to use that as an idea, you can. Another cute thing that I've seen is like a selfie or a picture of you guys just together, and you want to put that onto a shirt and embroider it. What you can do is take that little selfie that you've taken of yourselves, and to do the eyes, the nose, the mouth, and everything, if you can, that's awesome. I just think that's really hard to do. What it's like a little bit easier to do is to take that picture, forget about the eyes and the nose, keep the mouth. The mouth might be cute, but if you want to leave out the mouth, that's fine too. You can leave it faceless. I know it sounds scary as me saying it to you, but if you see it, like the completed product, it's cute. You'll know which picture it is. Like if you have a picture of you guys laughing together and then you put that on your shirt but without the face, you know what picture it is, and it'll bring back the same memories. Just something for you to think about. I like it. I've done it actually, and it's super cute. Another thing that is kind of like a special connection between the two is like a hobby that you guys do together. Maybe you guys both go golfing together. Maybe you guys like to swim, or you guys like to make videos together, or like TikTok. I don't know. But if it's just sitting around and being on your phone together, I know that's not something that people like to say that they do together, but it's also a lot of fun because you can be on Instagram together and show people that you're stalking and be like, oh my gosh, remember this person? And you talk about them. So I don't know what you guys do in your free time, okay? That was just an example of what I do with mine and my friends sometimes, okay? But whatever you guys end up doing together, maybe you guys go paddleboarding, or maybe you guys just sit and drink coffee together and get tea, or you know, I don't know, whatever you want to do. You can just put that onto an embroidery, and that's really cute because it's kind of, it shows, you know, like that's what you guys do together. That's really cute. And something else, maybe when there's like a t-shirt and it just has like an adjective of maybe something that reminds you of them. Maybe they're spunky or funky or cute or weird or any adjective, okay? You get what I'm saying? You can just put that on a shirt, or you know, whatever, a blanket. When I say t-shirt, you guys, again, no, I'm not talking about, oh, you can only do this on a t-shirt, just everything that you want to embroider on. And again, in my description box, I'll be putting another, like a whole list of things that you can embroider on. It's like endless. You can embroider on everything, okay? I've even seen some people embroider in wood. It takes a little bit more time because they have to like punch the holes through the wood to embroider it, but still they can do it, okay? So like literally anything you can embroider. It's a lot and too much work for me, but if you want to do it, go for it. And if you didn't like any of those ideas, but you still want to do something, of course, these aren't the only ideas out there. These are just a few that I thought of that could get you started on maybe what you might want to embroider. So if it's totally something completely way off out there, whatever, I hope this helped a little bit. But at the end of the day, if you don't like any of those, you could just write their name. I read somewhere that a person's favorite word is their name, and I know mine is mine. Like, I love my name, Shauna. I wouldn't have it, you know, be any other name. Some people don't like it, so if they like go by like a nickname, don't write their name out. And you know, like I met a girl named Stephanie. Her like sister, or not her sister, that'd be weird. Her cousin's name was Stephanie, and like her younger friend's name was Stephanie or something. So there were too many Stephanies, and she goes by Faye. And she's like, I don't like Stephanie because she just wants to be different, so she goes by Faye. So point is, if they have a nickname that they prefer to go by, go with that name. I'm sure I don't need to explain this to you. Or maybe just the first letter of their name. That's really cute too. And just do it in different fonts. If you look up on Google, you can write like, oh, if their name is Alice, then you do different fonts for A. And then you look on the images, and then it shows you like a whole bunch of different ones. And again, in the next video, I'll show you how to transfer that over onto a t-shirt or whatever you're embroidering on. But that way you have like all these different options. You don't have to make up your own font. But if you're creative like that, go for it. That's even cooler. That's like really cool. And totally at the end of the day, maybe not, maybe it's just something that you think is way better than any of these other ideas, is to do something random. Like, you know those cute shirts that have like a cactus or like a cat or a paper airplane, you know what I mean? I'll also put a little like list of different things that you can randomly put on, embroider onto your t-shirt or whatever below, but yeah, you can embroider anything onto anything. So yeah, these are just a few ideas. I hope they helped a little bit. This is just a really itemized thing, so in my description box, make sure to check it out. I feel like I'm putting a lot of things down there right now. I'll be putting up just a Word document of different things that you can embroider, and you can see it more. And I'll have those like, oh, the random things you can embroider, or I don't know what else I said I was going to include, but I'll put it all down there, okay? Okay, thanks for watching, you guys, and I'll see you next week, where I know I mentioned this like 3 times already, but next week's video, hopefully next week, I need to be better about it. But next week's video, I'll be posting different ways on how you can transfer a picture from your paper or from online or your computer screen onto your shirt so that you can start embroidering it. Like, you want to trace it onto your shirt or whatever before you embroider it, just so it makes it a little easier and you know that what you're going to embroider is what you can embroider. Again, there are some people out there that are just like really good at like imagining where the line is going to be and then doing it and then having it come out perfect. So if you're one of those people, it's good for you, you know, not me. I definitely have to do it in different ways that will help me so the picture comes out to be what I expect it to be. Yeah. Alright, well, thanks for watching again. I hope to see you guys next time, and if you guys have any questions or anything, let me know in the comments, and otherwise, like and subscribe. Alright, bye bye!